So in terms of energy sector, power. So in terms of power, we see we have an installed capacity of 31,990 megawatt. So this is achieved through the state government, central government, and other properties. So we added 15,587 in 2011. So we are the country's top renewable power generating states. We are accounting for 17.2% of renewable power means it is from the solar, wind, hydro, like that. So we have Tamil Nadu is poised to increase power. We are going to we are executing various power generation projects to both the non-renewable sources, and we are also focusing on solar power because we are getting more amount of solar energy that during the summer we can exploit it and store convert it into energy and store it. So we are aiming at 9,000 megawatt solar power by 2023. So we are planning to install 9,000 megawatts of solar power from solar panels by 2023. So we have this company called Tangerco, which is taking for which is the sole company in Tamil Nadu for power. So it is a 24/7 power. It provides 24/7 power to industries, developers, the demand of higher thing with an investment of 100 crore or more. So Tangerco Transco we are setting up substations along the various industrial corridors to give power, uninterrupted power to them. So uninterrupted power shall be divided to a dual dedicated network. Digital meters are fixed so that you can see what is happening. And industrial industries will be free from power cut, peak hour load restrictions, hour holidays, and other similar restrictions. So whenever power shortage happens, the industries will not be affected. However, the above condition will be applicable under force whenever the natural calamity happens, like cyclone or flood or strike or grid disturbance happen. The feeder is tripping due to technical fault. In that case, a power disruption will be there. Otherwise, the industries can be guaranteed of power, uninterrupted supply of power in all the situations.